Hi. Let's see. In February, I bought this thing. uh, Yesterday, it quit pumping. So what I had to do was take the head off. The I bought it's an oil compressor, and I bought one of these rather than the oilless kind because I had hopes that it actually has a cast iron cylinder and it's got an oil bath in there that's slung around that for lubrication. Anyways, what I found was, if you can see these, the reed valves, one of the reed valves quit on me. So what I had to do was find a feeler gauge of about the right size and then clip it to make it fit. And it works. You guys have to dig in and try stuff. You know, it's 90-day warranty on this stuff. Well, they know it's junk. I don't know. It's been pretty good. It pumps. It's relatively quiet compared to some, and what can I say? There you go.